3. Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to take you through how to remove and insert back the RAM in the system unit. Okay. So first you have to remove the casing. Normally you have the screws at the back, so you have to remove the screws and slide it back and gently lift it. Then we have our system unit open. So next step is to locate our RAM. As you can see, you just have to remove the clips from both sides. In our case, we have only one RAM. And then after removing the clips, you just pull the RAM gently from its position. And here we have our RAM. This is how you remove the RAM. I'm going to take you through still to replace the RAM in its position. And this is how it's done. Just position the RAM in its position, and then you push gently until the click sound is heard, and then you place back the clips. And that's all about removing and replacing back the RAM. Welcome back for our next video.